Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. Today, we're going to talk about nasty, disgusting, yucky molding. Or is it maybe just something called a blooming? You want to find out and how to identify it? You know what to do. I'll see you. All right, my loves. Welcome. I'm Sunny. This is Sunny's Place. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Make sure and leave me a comment, especially if you're a first-time viewer here. I love to get to know all of my YouTube family. So, today, let's talk about mold, or maybe it's something else called blooming. You guys want to know the difference. How do I identify it? What's the 3 steps that you need to take to make sure that you're not putting on a nasty, moldy lipstick on your lips? You need to see this video. So, I have 3 different brands of lipsticks here. First thing you need to know is that a matte, transfer-proof lipstick is going to expire quicker than just a long-wearing or a creamy, nourishing, moisturizing lipstick. It will expire faster just because of the ingredients that's in it that makes it that matte, long-wearing, non-transferring lipstick. Nothing we can do about that. Now, we've seen some lipsticks in the past. I'll put the picture up there of the nasty, moldy lipstick. How that product even got sent out, I do not know. Now, let's put a picture up of this one. Y'all, that's called blooming. Some people call it fatty acid arise. Some people call it the butter's lifting in the lipstick. How do you know the difference? There's 3 steps you can take. I'm going to pause this so you guys can read it for a minute. I'll read it along with you. So, the way to absolutely positively know the difference, besides your 3 steps, to know if you've got mold growing on your lipstick or if it is just blooming, and all that is, you guys, is where the fatty acids are rising in the lipstick. That's it. There's nothing that can be done about it. It's the way products grow. That is the way it is. So this here it is. I'll get it real close. You see all the white crystals on there? What do you guys think that is? Think it's mold? What do you think it is? It's blooming. And how you know the difference? Look, you can wipe this right off. It comes right off. And it's not there anymore. This is a good lipstick still. Another way you can do it is if you will take your lipsticks, if you think that they're old or getting ready to expire, to a heat source. Hold it away from the heat source so that you don't actually melt your lipstick. But what you can do is, this is a surefire way to know, is that if it is a molding lipstick, as that one, it will burn. It will leave debris. Mold burns, and it will leave, sometimes it will leave debris, like wherever you're trying to check the heat source at. Make sure you have a safe surface beneath it, of course, because sometimes it will leave debris. If it's just blooming, it'll melt. It'll be clear. It's a good lipstick. Now, as I said in the 3 steps, here's one of my most favorite lipsticks. Look at the texture on that. Yeah, you can visually tell this is not a good lipstick anymore. This is only a year old. Not good anymore. You can see the texture there. There's no smell to it. And yep, I got some on my nose. And you feel the dry, gritty texture whenever you go to swatch it. Now, sometimes you can cut the top of this off, which I'm not going to do because it's a huge mess. And also, I just did a pretty deep swatch, but I've still got that layer of dryness, of crusty dryness. And look at the discoloration in that. That is not blooming. That is old, expired, dried up, time to go. It's not mold. It's just an old lipstick. Thankfully, I don't have a moldy lipstick. Now, we can go through and see videos of all the lipsticks I do have. See you in a sec. Yeah, your girl has got some lipsticks. Here is the third one I pulled out. Another one of my most favorite long-wearing lipsticks. As soon as I received it, look, it already had that discoloration. Again, that is blooming. It's not mold. It's a good lipstick. How can you tell? It wipes right off. Just wipes right off. See there? Now, if I wanted to hold it up to a heat source and get it all off, that's all I'd have to do. It would all come right off of there. Please know the difference between molding, expired, or just blooming lipsticks, you guys. It's not safe for your bodies, for your mouths to be putting on yucky, nasty lipsticks. It's just not. Now, you guys know the difference. How to tell, how to identify it. If there's any more questions that you have, please just let me know down in the comments. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that MAC Cosmetics, if you will mail to them 6 empty components, you will receive 1 component for free. It might be an eyeshadow or it might be a lipstick, but you have to return 6 empty components, 6 empty lipsticks, 6 empty eyeshadows, whatever, because they recycle their components. And then they give you your free product for helping out the environment. That's actually pretty awesome. What's your girl gonna do right now? I'm gonna go play in some more lipsticks. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure and hit that thanks button.